Nick Mueller, Chief Executive Officer at the Ronald McDonald House Charities Midwest, which includes Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa.
I'm Angela Christensen, a Development Officer at the Ronald McDonald House in Rochester. And the Swing Your Birdie Golf Classic is the longest running charity golf tournament in Rochester. And it is such an important part of our legacy at the Ronald McDonald House. And what it really does is it brings our community together to support families as they're going through just difficult, trying times. And it's really super special to the house.